Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Twitch account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or laptop. Type Twitch TV into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Twitch homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page and find the login button. Click the login button once to open the sign-in window. In the username field, type your Twitch username or the email linked to your account. In the password field, carefully type your Twitch password. Double-check for typos, especially if your password uses capital letters or symbols. If you are on a private device, you can enable the option to stay logged in if it appears. Click the login button in the window to submit your details. If Twitch asks for a verification code, check your email or authentication app. Enter the verification code exactly as shown and confirm. If you forgot your password, click Trouble logging in and then choose Forgot Password. Type your email or username on the recovery page and follow the reset link sent to you. After resetting, return to the login window and try signing in again. If you are using the Twitch mobile app, open the Twitch app on your phone. Tap the profile icon or the login option on the welcome screen. Enter your username or email in the first field. Enter your password in the second field. Tap Login and wait a moment while the app signs you in. If you use two-factor authentication, enter the code from your authenticator app or SMS. If you want a faster login, choose Continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook if available. Make sure you are selecting the correct account on the provider login page. If login fails, confirm that caps lock is off and your keyboard layout is correct. Check your internet connection and try refreshing the page or restarting the app. If you see a security warning, avoid unknown links and always log in only on the official Twitch site or app. Once logged in, click your profile icon to confirm your account name and settings. You are now signed in and ready to follow channels, watch streams, and chat. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.